Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the Webull app. If you don't have a Webull account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free stocks. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. Once the App Store is opened, search for Webull. The Webull app icon looks like this. To proceed, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. If you haven't created a Webull account, tap on Sign Up. But if you already have an account, tap on Login. Now, select how you wish to log in, either via phone or email. In this video, we chose to log in via phone number. After that, enter your password. Then tap on Next. For account security, you need to answer a privacy question. Enter your answer on the field provided, then tap on Login. Lastly, enter your trading password. And now you will be directed to the home page. That's how you download and install the Webull app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.